Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming whether you're on Android or iPhone because the path differs. Once done, make sure the search engine you want is accessible, either as an app or a known URL. Now open Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or the Phone Settings app. Don't waste time in home screens. You're going straight to the Browser or System Settings panel where default search engines are managed. This primes the device so the next actions take effect immediately. You'll now change the default inside the browser itself. For Chrome, tap Menu, go to Settings, then Search Engine and pick your choice. This updates address bar queries. For Safari on iPhone, open the System Settings app, choose Safari, tap Search Engine, and select the new provider so Siri and Smart Suggestions use it. In Firefox, open Menu, Settings, Search, then set the default engine. Make sure to confirm selection. Some browsers sync across devices. Finish by testing. Enter a query in the address bar and open a new tab to verify the new engine responds. If you don't see the change, force quit and reopen the browser and clear cache. Sometimes stale settings persist. Make sure your browser account sync isn't overriding local defaults. If it is, adjust the sync preferences or change the default on the linked account. One key tip: restart the device after changes to ensure system-level defaults stick across apps and widgets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.